We got a gift for Brad. I'm very excited about this.
What do you get for Brad?
All right, gift for Brad. By the way, Brad, you're busted. Brad Wyman is my producer. Loving every minute of him. He wants to be healthy. He wants to be fit, or he wouldn't be producing this show. So I want to give him excellent tools to activate him so that when I ask him how he's doing, he goes, great, I feel amazing.
It has to be easy,
I feel great.
If you ever get him to say great and I feel amazing, then I don't know, I'm going to buy you something.
Oh, I love it. So the reason why I said you're busted, Wyman, is because the shaker I gave you last week to shake your Growing Naturals rice protein drinks is still in the kitchen.
Oopsies.
So have you not been doing your protein drinks? I actually had to go to like 4 different places to find another one. So this is what, today we are giving you superfoods that are like...
Clean it this morning. It had to be clean.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you. Is that the truth? I believe you. Yes? Awesome. I feel better now. Excellent. So my work's not in vain. So what I'm going to show him today, so it's like juicing, right? Like it'd be great if he would do like some juicing. You want to stay up here for this? You can. But you know, like he's not going to juice, is he? He's not going to like make himself a juice in the morning. So this is what we're going to do so he doesn't have to juice. Okay, I'm going to put these back here. We can give him the phytonutrient power of amazing superfruits like maqui.
Oh God, he's going to get everything.
Okay, maqui, check this out. Where's my bowl for this? Friends.
There's an onion bowl, it's empty there.
That's okay, I'll show it here. Here, maybe it is better to, no, I don't want to use that one. So can we see this color on an overhead? This beautiful dark purple color. These are tiny little purple berries from the Amazon. They're incredibly, incredibly healthful. Can you put that in here for me? We'll put that in there for him. Easy. So, Wyman, we've got these berries for you. Camu, super high in vitamin C. We're going to mix like a berry powder with a green powder. We have 2 different green powders. We have spirulina and chlorella. These are all from Essential Living Foods. I'm so super duper grateful for Essential Living Foods for creating a product that is so high integrity. Spirulina is like the best green food in terms of protein that you can even have. So this allows you to like get the fruit with the greens, shake it, pow, you're done. So look at the color of this spirulina too. This is like seriously green.
Oh wow.
Can we get an overhead on that? Do you see that green? It's hard to kind of see, especially in this blue bowl. But let's give them some spirulina, very green. And you can mix a teaspoon of all 4 of these, Brad, or all 5 of them. You get acai and maqui. These are both really dark berries. They're really tasty and fruitful, and camu. So these 3 are like fruity tasting and super, super high in nutrients. And so you can mix like a half a teaspoon of all 5, or you can just do 2. Mix it up, make it different. I just got to show you this chlorella. I got to show you the chlorella. We won't put it in there because we don't want to like overdo his green. But in this, I'll show you. Look at that color. Is that gorge? Look at that green.
Emerald.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
So then you want to pour some water in there for him.
All the way up or middle of the way?
Let's go to here. Let's put a little camu in there for him too.
The highest form of vitamin C available naturally in camu.
Oh yeah? Dude, that's like so amazing. So he's gonna have this drink at least once, maybe twice a day, and then you know what? When you ask him how he's doing on the phone, he's gonna be like, I feel fantastic.
I feel fantastic.
I'm so super duper right now. I'm loving life so much.
It won't
shake
be
it, shake
I'm
it,
alive.
Shake it. No, shake it. Because you know what? No, it's really, production is really hard. Like it's seriously, I mean, it's not rocket science, but it's one of the hardest jobs on our bodies. Sometimes we work 15-hour days. It's freaking hard. And especially when you're a man and you're not like gonna make what I just made right here.
He's busy.
You need some healthy,
taking care of everyone else, so he doesn't have time for himself.
Taking care of everyone else. And so we gotta,
okay.
Here, we'll pour it for him.
Bring it over.
Yeah, the duck will bring it over to him. We call her the duck, so you know. And hopefully you'll like it. It'll be his little, a little toxin. And you can make the flavors that you want, because like I said, you can play around with it. But you're going home with all of these. Friends at home, you can get all these awesome superfood powders at blytheraw.com and B-Shop Home. If you click on the Essential Living Foods banner, it'll take you to their website, and you'll get 15% off on all of these. These are also available in Whole Foods. Whole Foods sometimes doesn't carry all of them, but you'll get a discount through us.
Andy, cut here.
Yay! Is that great?
This is really good, actually.
Is it good? Right, because the
I like
McKee,
it,
the
but you can
McKee
taste
is
it,
so
you know?
amazing. And the acai, I don't even know if we put acai in there, but the camu camu.
This is really good.
Yeah, so actually what we did with that one was camu camu, McKee, and spirulina. So we didn't put in the acai and we didn't put in the chlorella. So just
It's
play
actually
with
kind
it.
of filling, too.
Yeah, well, you're getting so much protein actually because all of the greens have a lot of protein and the fruit has protein too, plus like all the phytonutrients. and
You know,
minerals.
can we do
Thank
like
you, Blythe.
Yes,
do a
drink it
jar?
every day.
My dear.
What?
just get a jar, like mix a few of them together so that he just has to scoop it?
Do
'Cause
that,
even maybe
Erica.
4 bags will be too much work.
Okay, so get a mason jar with a lid,
Yeah.
mix some things together. So all he has to do is take one scoop,
Make his
shake
own blend.
it, and you know what? He's gonna become supernatural. I'm telling you, that's what the superfoods do. Just watch out. That's what the superfoods do. Woo!